May preach si pastor. Outfit check. Alright. Honor God, make disciples.
Sa kanila. Alright, this is it! The certificate reads, the certificate of completion is presented to Juan de la Cruz for successfully completing Leadership 113, a 10-man course designed to help leaders be more effective in their ministry roles in the areas of leadership, discipleship, biblical studies, evangelism, and Christian living. Given the 7th day of September, year 2024 in Malabon, Philippines, signed by Pastor Bong Navarro, Pastor in charge of Victory Caloocan, and Antonio Reyes Jr., Discipleship Pastor. Ladies and gentlemen, may we present the graduates.
And also, we would like to call the pastors here on stage. Carlos Manuel Conrad G.
Daming pansa.
Learn to live differently, guided by God's principles, empowering others, fostering unity, and reflecting Christ's love. This class will keep me fit serve with integrity, compassion, and wisdom, shaping both my personal growth and my influence for God's kingdom.
Castillo Cassandra Luis.
I've come to understand that Christ-like leadership is all about humility, service, and keeping God at the center. This journey has ignited a deep passion for discipleship within me, filled my heart with love for people, and granted me a profound understanding of leading by example.
Katakis Angelina G. Guys, buksan nyo ba yung certificate nyo yung pangalan nyo nakalabas? So, isang side lang. Para pare-pareho kayo. Sige. Okay. Ganyan mo na. Sige. Let's go order. Order ng board. May pangalan po yung nakalabas. So, isang side lang. Tuloy nyo na lang. Okay. 13, batch 9. Kumpletuhin natin yung leadership of 13. Isang picture